Welcome to the breathtaking Rainbow Tower Oceanfront with this incredible aerial shots of the Rainbow Tower at Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki Beach Resort, showcasing its stunning location facing the lagoon and the ocean. Next, we'll take you inside the Rainbow Oceanfront 2 double bedroom, giving you a close-up of the mesmerizing oceanfront views from the balcony. We'll also explore the beautiful beach right in front of the Rainbow Tower. Along the way, we'll touch on the 2025 renovation updates of the Rainbow Tower and our view on the renovations in general. And finally, we'll wrap up with our overall thoughts and experiences. Let's dive into the beauty of the Rainbow Tower. Well, we came to Hilton Hawaiian Village. It is a beautiful view here. This is a Rainbow Oceanfront 2 double bedroom in the Rainbow Tower, offering a breathtaking view of Waikiki Beach, stretching all the way to Diamond Head. This is the best oceanfront view from this tower. No matter which floor you are on, if your room faces Diamond Head, you are getting the best view available. So, if you are looking for the best view, this is the one you would want. Unless you see this beach from an aerial view, you won't truly appreciate how stunning the stretch of the sand is. You can walk and run along the shore and never get bored. This was our first visit in December 2015. We absolutely loved the view and our stay at the Rainbow Tower. We came back again in December 2024 and discovered that the Rainbow Tower is undergoing renovations. Next, we'll take a closer look at the beach and the renovation updates. We are now standing in front of the Rainbow Tower, walking towards the beach you just saw from the balcony. It is only about a minute's walk to get there. This is our second visit to Hilton Hawaiian Village. We loved our first stay at Rainbow Tower, so we booked it again for a trip at the end of 2024. However, before we even arrived, we learned that the Rainbow Tower was undergoing renovations. To avoid potential noise and dust, we decided to switch our reservation to the Tapa Tower. As a general rule, based on past experiences, it is best to avoid staying in a tower where renovations are taking place. However, if you are staying at Rainbow Tower, we would recommend choosing a room away from the floors where renovations are happening to minimize any noise or dust disruptions. It is still manageable, but something to consider. So here is the Rainbow Tower. They are currently renovating as of December 2024. It's end of December 2024. So there will be some noises there. They're doing it like floor by floor. We're almost at the beach now, just steps away from Rainbow Tower. As you can see, this is Kahanamoku Beach, right here at Waikiki. Now, we're standing on the beautiful sands of Waikiki Beach. The beach is perfect for everything, from relaxing in the sun to taking a refreshing swim in the crystal clear water. If you look around, you'll notice some umbrellas scattered along the beach. They're free to use, but first come first served. So be sure to grab one early if you're looking for some shade. My family is swimming in the Pacific Ocean. You can see how vibrant the beach is, with kids splashing in the waves and families enjoying the ocean. It is truly a paradise, with the peaceful ocean in one side and the lively energy of the Waikiki Beach on the other. There's the Hilton Port right there. If you're planning to take the Atlantis Submarines Waikiki tour, that's where you'll board for the adventure. What makes Waikiki Beach special is its iconic view of Diamond Head. You get the perfect blend of mountain, ocean, and sky all in one place. One thing to note is that you won't find any gazebos or cabanas on the beach in front of the Hilton Hawaiian Village's towers, unlike some other beachfront resorts where they are available for rent. Personally, I prefer it this way. Without paid seating, everyone has equal access to the beach. In terms of beauty, this may not be the most stunning beach on Oahu. If you are looking for powdery sand and postcard perfect scenery, places like Lanikai Beach or the North Shore offer even better options. But what makes these beaches unique is its convenience and family-friendly atmosphere. The water are generally calmer, making it a safer spot for younger kids. Parents can relax by the resort, while children can play in the ocean. At the end of the day, kids don't judge a beach by how it looks. They just want to swim and have fun. And from a parent's perspective, safety and accessibility matter just as much as beauty. In that sense, this beach works perfectly for both. So this is a public beach. Even if you're not staying at the Hilton here, you can still come here and enjoy. Next, I'm heading into the ocean to see how cold the water feels at the end of December in the Pacific Ocean here in Waikiki. I will also check for any rocks or obstacles beneath the water to see how easy it is to walk in. You'll also get a better view of the Rainbow Tower and the beach access from Hilton Hawaiian Village while in the ocean. Toward the end, I'll highlight the key takeaways and share our final thoughts on the Rainbow Tower Oceanfront at Hilton Hawaiian Village Waikiki Beach Resort. As I step into the water, I notice some rocks beneath the surface. Nothing major, but something to be aware of. If you're entering from this area, take your time and step carefully rather than rushing in. The water is a bit chilly at first, but with the sun shining, you'll warm up and adjust pretty quickly. So I'm right now in the Pacific Ocean. Kano, Aisha. We are at the Kahanamoku beach. It's right off of Hilton Hawaiian Village. This is the Hilton Port, Atlantis. That's Diamond Head. This is Hilton Hawaiian Village. Rainbow Tower. We inquired about the renovation status of the Rainbow Tower and confirmed that renovations are still ongoing as of March 2025. So, if you're planning a visit now or in the near future, keep this in mind. If possible, consider requesting a room away from the floors where the work is taking place to minimize any disturbances. We are almost at the end of our video. We had a wonderful time at the beach in front of the Hilton Hawaiian Village. It was incredible to be the same location 9 years apart, once with younger kids and now with them all grown up. We try to keep things simple and live in the moment, appreciating what's right in front of us. A simple walk along the shore or floating on the ocean with the family created memories that will last a lifetime. Hilton Hawaiian Village is a family-friendly resort, making it a great choice if you are looking to create lasting memories with your loved ones. With easy beach access, a safe environment, and plenty of space to walk, run, and soak in the ocean vibes, it is a place that brings people together. If you are looking for breathtaking views, you can't go wrong with the Rainbow Tower's oceanfront rooms facing Diamond Head. From the balcony, we could spend hours just taking in the stunning sights of the oceans, the beach, and the iconic Diamond Head. It was peaceful and truly mesmerizing, a perfect spot to relax and soak in the beauty of Waikiki. Hopefully this video brings you value, inspiration, and insights from our experiences. Thanks for watching, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, stay safe and happy travels.